Jai Shri Ram. I asked AI, in fact, a statement which is more like a question. Adi Shankaracharya said 1155 is the gist of Gita. And look at the response. It scoured 12 sites and it came up with this. Adi Shankaracharya in his commentary identifies chapter 1155 as the gist or the quintessential teaching of the entire Bhagavad Gita. He declares this verse to be the whole teaching of the Gita, put in a nutshell. Samasta Gita Shastrartha Sangraha Bhuta. So, Matkarma Krunmat Parmo Matbhakta Sangavarjitaha Nirvaira Sarvabhuteshu Yashamameti Pandava. He who does my work, who looks upon me as the Supreme, who is devoted to me, who is free from attachment and who is without enmity towards any creature, he comes to me, O Pandava. So, Shankaracharya's 5-point gist is based on this. Matkarma Krit, Karma Yoga. Perform everything for Krishna, viewing all work as a service to Krishna. Matparamaha, Jnana Yoga. One who regards Krishna as the ultimate goal of life, above all material and heavenly rewards. Mad Bhaktaha, Bhakti Yoga. Totally committed and devoted to serving Krishna. Sangavarjitaha, Vairagya. Free from all worldly attachments and thirst for sensory enjoyments. Nirvaira Sarva Bhuteshu. Compassion, no hatred or enmity toward any living being. Recognizing the divinity in everyone. But that doesn't mean that he will not fight. If there is a battle, well, you'll have to kill. If you are a soldier, you'll have to kill. So, this is the quintessence of the entire Bhagavad Gita according to Adi Shankaracharya, 1155. Jai Shri Ram.